Hey, what's up HB guys? This is Lisa. Today I will do the comparison of these two pairs of white Vapormax. Yes, these two pair shoes are all the 10 Nike Air Vapormax of white. Okay, and this one is the first generation, and we can call this one is the second generation. As you can see, these two pairs have some different. Okay, now let me show you the difference in this comparison video. Okay, we can check the outside look. The first difference, we can see the bottom. Yes, the first we can see the bottom is not the same. This pair, the bottom is the whole black, and this one is the white bottom. Okay, and you can check this Nike logo. The second generation, the Nike logo is use this material, and the first generation, the Nike material is a white leather. Okay, now you can check, and the second generation have a blue shoelaces. Okay, and he not have this actual shoelaces. It only have the blue color and the black color shoelaces. Okay, now I take the same size. You can check the difference in these two pair shoes. Yes, this part and this part. And also here, this part not the same. This part is black and gray color. And this pair all the whole black. And the vapor here have some gray color, and this pair all have the whole black on the vapor. Okay, and you can see the sultan. Yes, the sultan color not the same. This pair, the sultan is a white color, the green white color, and this pair is a whole black color. And you can check the Nike logo colorway not the same. All have the made in China tag. Okay, and move to the inside side. You can see the off-white sentence is the same. And this pair, the inside side not have the Nike logo, and this pair, the second generation, here have the Nike logo too. Yes, you can find it's not the same together. Okay, the back you can see. You can check the back here also the same. It's yes, the back is the same. Now check the inside. The inside sole, the shoes inside sole. You can see the off-white design is the white color, and this pair is a black color. And the inside, this pair inside is have a white color, and this pair the inside whole black. Okay. Now move to the bottom. Yes, the bottom is not the same. As you can see, the colorway have some changes. You can see the inside all have the Air Max letter. This one also have the Air Max letter too. Okay, now let me check another pair. We can check this side. Here have the Nike logo with this plastic material. Okay. The vapor and the bottom, the back. Okay, and this side. So you can tell me which one you like. If you like the off-white Vapormax, I think you can take these two pairs together and also have a whole white style. Okay, so if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will do my best in the future videos. Okay. Okay, and last, let me show guys the box difference. Okay. We can check the box together. On the up, all have the shelf, and these two pairs, the size label is not the same. You can see. This one, the size label is the first generation of white Vapormax whole black color, and this one is the off-white, the second. Yes, this one is the second generation of the tank of white Vapormax, the black with white button here, the style number, and here. Okay. Anyone you want, welcome to order from my website or contact with me. Get the best wholesale price. Okay, thank you for your watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell me what do you want. Maybe in the future I can do that review for you. Okay, see you next time. Bye.